Guide to Obtaining Permanent Residency in the UK, Students, Workers, Refugees, and Others. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Law and Facts. In today's video, we will be discussing how students, workers, refugees, and individuals from various backgrounds can obtain permanent residency in the UK. We'll provide you with a step-by-step guide, so let's dive right in. Students. First, let's talk about students. If you're currently on a Tier 4, General, Student visa, you have a couple of options. One is to explore other visa categories, such as work visas or family visas, which can lead to permanent residency. Another option is the graduate route, which allows eligible graduates to work or seek work in the UK for up to 2 years. This can be a pathway to permanent residency. Workers. For those who are working in the UK, the primary work visa route is the skilled worker visa. To qualify, you'll need a job offer from a UK employer with a valid sponsor license. After 5 years on this visa, you can apply for settlement, also known as permanent residency. Another option is the Global Talent Visa, designed for individuals with exceptional talent or promise in their fields. This visa offers a faster route to settlement. Refugees and asylum seekers. Now, let's discuss refugees and asylum seekers. If you're granted refugee status in the UK, you can apply for settlement after 5 years. This applies to refugees recognized under the Refugee Convention or those granted humanitarian protection. If you don't qualify as a refugee but it's unsafe for you to return to your home country, you may be granted humanitarian protection. After 5 years, you can apply for settlement. Other categories. There are a few other categories through which individuals can obtain permanent residency in the UK. Firstly, certain family members of UK residents or British citizens may be eligible to apply for settlement. Additionally, the long residence category is available for individuals who have legally lived in the UK for a continuous period of 10 years. They may also be eligible to apply for settlement. Obtaining permanent residency in the UK can be a significant milestone for students, workers, refugees, and individuals from various backgrounds. However, it's important to stay up to date with the latest immigration rules and requirements, as they can change over time. We recommend consulting the official UK government website or seeking legal advice from an immigration expert for personalised guidance based on your specific circumstances. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.